4 major SEO goals, and I'm going to share them with you in this class. The first one is awareness. It means you can use SEO to create awareness about your brand or a new product you're trying to put out there. Goal 2 is engagement. When people search the web for something related to what you offer and you come up, you have a better chance of getting engagement from these people. You have a better chance of being engaged with via the search engine result page because you leverage on SEO. So the probability of you getting more engagement than someone who doesn't utilize SEO is higher. You get to be one of the people they will likely engage with. It increases your chances of engagement. Goal 3 is conversions. And conversion, the way we define conversion in digital marketing, it is any valuable actions that your lead or your potential customers takes. Any action that is valuable to your brand or your business. It could be downloading an ebook. It could be buying a product. It could be signing up for a conference or your newsletter. Basically, conversion is relative. In my book, Digital Brand Marketing, I talk more about conversion. And I explain how conversion could be relative. What is conversion for me could be different for what is conversion for you, based on the nature of our business and our core business goals and objectives. Whatever conversion is for you, SEO increases your chances of getting more conversions because it literally puts you out there in front of people that are relatively searching for you. Then goal 4 is authority. Search engine, based on user preference over time, based on your SEO skills, now sees you as someone that generates relevant content that people are actively searching for. So when people search for relative keywords, it presents you as an authority that, okay, this person can be trusted, this person is an authority in this field, you should visit this link, you should visit this person, or you should buy from this person. It basically recommends you because it now sees you as an authority in that field.